Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Star Wars stickers is probably one of the most iconic and versatile ways to express your fandom, allowing you to personalize everything from laptops and water bottles to notebooks and even your car, bringing a touch of the Force to your everyday life and sparking conversations with fellow enthusiasts wherever you go, making them a must-have for any true fan looking to showcase their allegiance to the galaxy far, far away. Number 5. Lambs and Ivy Star Wars Wall Decals. Transform your child's room into a galaxy far, far away. These decals bring iconic Star Wars ships to life on any wall. Featuring the legendary X-Wing, TIE Fighter, and the Millennium Falcon. Your little one will love soaring through space with these designs. Decorating is a breeze with these peel and stick decals. They are simple to apply and can be removed without damaging surfaces. Made with high-quality materials, these decals are built to last. Enjoy the vibrant designs for years to come. Ignite your child's imagination with this exciting Star Wars collection. It's the perfect addition to any fan's bedroom. Arrange the decals to create your own epic space battles. Let their creativity take flight with these dynamic ship graphics. What we like. If you're looking to transform a room into a Star Wars haven, these are for you. They feature iconic ship designs that are perfect for creating a dynamic wall display. If you want a statement piece for a bedroom or playroom, consider these. What people say. The stickers are of good quality and have vibrant colors. They are easy to apply and remove without leaving residue. The designs are accurate to the Star Wars characters and look great on my laptop. Number 4. Star Wars 100 PCS DIY Decal Stickers. Get ready for an epic adventure with our Star Wars sticker pack. You'll receive 100 unique, high-quality decals, perfect for personalizing your gear. Crafted from premium PVC, these stickers are built to last. They're waterproof and sunproof, ensuring vibrant designs that never fade. From laptops and water bottles to skateboards and cars, the possibilities are endless. If the surface is smooth, you can stick it. Applying these stickers is a breeze. Just clean the surface, peel, and stick. And when you want to change things up, they remove cleanly without leaving any residue. We're dedicated to providing you with the best. If you encounter any issues, please reach out, and we'll ensure you have a great experience. Unleash your imagination and create something truly unique. Click buy now and let the fun begin. What we like. For those who love to customize everything, this massive pack is a dream. With 100 waterproof and durable stickers, you can personalize laptops, water bottles, and more. If you're a DIY enthusiast who wants endless decorating options, grab this pack. What people say. These stickers are a great addition to any Star Wars fan's collection, featuring iconic characters and ships with vibrant colors and crisp details. The adhesive on these stickers is strong and durable, ensuring they stay put on various surfaces like laptops, water bottles, and car windows without peeling or fading. The variety of designs included in the pack is impressive, offering a good mix of classic and newer Star Wars movie elements, making it easy to personalize belongings. Number 3. Baby Yoda Star Wars The Mandalorian Sticker Book Pack. Get ready for an out-of-this-world sticker adventure. This pack is filled with fun featuring your favorite characters. Inside, you'll find 4 sticker sheets. They showcase the adorable child, Baby Yoda, and exciting bounty hunter themes. You'll discover Baby Yoda and memorable sayings straight from the Mandalorian. Bring the excitement of the show to your world. With over 300 stickers, the fun never ends. You'll get a variety of flat and puffy stickers in different sizes. This is a fantastic gift for any child who adores Baby Yoda and the Mandalorian. It's officially packaged with the Star Wars Disney logo. These versatile stickers are perfect for personalizing notebooks, water bottles, drawings, journals, and so much more. What we like. If Baby Yoda is your ultimate obsession, you can't miss this. It offers over 300 stickers featuring the child in various poses and sayings, including both flat and puffy designs. If you're a fan of The Mandalorian and want to add some cute flair to your belongings, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The stickers are very durable and waterproof, perfect for decorating laptops and water bottles. Great variety of characters and designs, all the main characters are included. The adhesive is strong and they stay on well, even after multiple washes. Number 2. Star Wars Reward Stickers by Disney Studios. Bring the galaxy to your fingertips with over 300 Star Wars stickers. These are the original trilogy reward stickers, perfect for any fan. You'll get a massive collection of over 300 stickers featuring iconic characters and moments. It's an epic addition to your collection. Looking for the ideal party favor? These stickers are perfect for handing out and will be a hit with all the younglings. These are officially licensed Star Wars toys and games merchandise. You can be sure you're getting authentic and high-quality products. Designed for kids of all ages, these stickers offer fun and excitement for everyone. Join the adventure with these amazing stickers. What we like. This pack is ideal for any Star Wars fan, especially those who cherish the original trilogy. With over 300 stickers, including reward-style ones, it's great for parties or just showing off your fandom. If you're looking for classic Star Wars imagery for kids or collectors, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The stickers are made of high-quality vinyl material, ensuring durability and water resistance. Features a wide variety of iconic Star Wars characters and symbols, perfect for any fan. The adhesive is strong and holds well on various surfaces like laptops, water bottles, and car windows. Number 1. Star Wars Classic Sticker Sheets, 4 count. Get ready for an out-of-this-world celebration. These high-quality stickers feature vibrant graphics perfect for any Star Wars-themed event. Experience the magic of the galaxy far, far away with a stunning array of colors. They add the perfect touch of flair to any themed occasion. These single-use sticker sheets make decorating a breeze. Simply peel and stick for instant galactic fun at your celebrations. Give your party, invitations, and favors a galactic makeover. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use on almost any surface. This value pack ensures you have plenty to share. Embark on an intergalactic adventure without breaking the bank. What we like. If you're planning a Star Wars-themed party, these are a must-have. The vibrant multicolor designs on 4 sheets are perfect for invitations, decorations, and favors. If you want to add a splash of color and galactic ambience to your celebration without a hassle, these are your go-to. What people say. The stickers are very durable and have held up well even after being exposed to the elements. The designs are incredibly detailed and accurately represent the characters from Star Wars. They are easy to apply and remove without leaving any residue behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.